Discover 4 lucky numbers to win the jackpot this weekend, shamanic wisdom and secrets. Imagine if I told you that just 4 carefully chosen numbers could be your gateway to guidance, abundance, and maybe even a sprinkle of unexpected luck this July. Sounds intriguing, right? Today, we're uncovering 4 lucky numbers that may shift the trajectory of your month in ways you didn't expect. But these numbers aren't chosen at random. They are deeply rooted in the timeless traditions of shamanic cultures, passed down through generations of wisdom keepers, spirit walkers, and earth-connected tribes. Infused with insights from astrology, numerology, and the ancestral teachings of shamanic heritage, these numbers reflect the energies moving through the universe right now. As many shamanic traditions teach, everything speaks, if you learn how to listen. Each number this July holds the potential to help you align with the natural rhythm of the universe, drawing in clarity, healing, and prosperity just when you need it most. Astrologers often affirm that each month carries unique numerical vibrations, keys to tapping into hidden opportunities. And for the shaman, numbers are not just math, they're alive with spirit, offering signals from the unseen world. Could one of these numbers be the key to your transformation this July? Stay with us as we reveal them one by one, and open your heart to the messages they may hold for you. These numbers guide us, not just with logic, but with energy, what shamanic cultures call the medicine behind the moment. Numerologists see these numbers as vibrational codes, aligning with life paths and spiritual breakthroughs. Shamanic seers interpret them as signs woven into nature, dreams, and energy flows, indicators of where destiny might be gently nudging you next. This month, these 4 sacred numbers hold exceptional potential, a powerful blend of ancient knowledge and intuitive resonance. Stay tuned, because the final number on this list is believed to be particularly potent, with a high likelihood of attracting positive transformation into your life. And if you stay until the end, I'll share a special bonus number, a gift from the world of spirit to give your luck and clarity an extra lift. Before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and leave a positive affirmation in the comments to attract prosperity this month. Try something like, July is my month of clarity, abundance, and inner power. Let's set those intentions together. Now, let's begin our countdown with a truly powerful number, number 7. Input numbers. Number 7, the Seeker's Code. The number 7 carries a unique, deep, and spiritual vibration. Often called the seeker in numerology, it represents intuition, inner truth, and the sacred journey of personal discovery. Within shamanic teachings, 7 is revered as a bridge between the seen and unseen worlds. It symbolizes the quest for knowledge that cannot be measured with logic alone, knowledge that comes from listening to the earth, the stars, and the whispers within. When 7 appears in your life, it's often a message: slow down, listen inward, and trust what your spirit is revealing to you. It invites reflection, inner alignment, and spiritual realignment. Many shamans associate this number with vision quests, ceremonial awakening, and the shedding of old beliefs to make space for truth. In astrological terms, the energy of 7 resonates with Neptune, the planet of dreams, intuition, and spiritual depth. It nudges you to grow in ways that transcend the material, to seek the unseen currents shaping your life. So if 7 is calling to you this month, take time to reflect. There may be hidden clarity waiting just beneath the surface. Let the wisdom of this number guide you back to your center. Because sometimes, the most powerful transformation happens not in doing, but in simply becoming still and listening. The power of 7, the seeker's quiet strength. Rapid or intense change often calls for quiet strength, and that's exactly what the number 7 invites us to embody. It encourages a deep inward journey, offering clarity and purpose through reflection, curiosity, and understanding. Imagine 7 as a guiding beacon, a sacred light in the shamanic path that reminds us true insight and fulfillment come from within. For those seeking meaning beyond the surface, 7 serves as a powerful reminder: our potential is limitless when we align with our inner truth and trust our personal path. As you connect with the insightful energy of 7 this July, take a moment to set intentions rooted in wisdom and authenticity. Are you ready to listen to your inner voice and let 7, the seeker, guide you toward clarity and purpose? Glowing star embracing 11. The Master Teacher's illumination. Moving on to the next number, 11, which carries the energy of illumination, inspiration, and visionary power. Known in numerology as the Master Teacher, 11 encourages us to look beyond the obvious, seek our higher purpose, and trust deeply in our intuition. If 7 guides us inward to reflect, 11 lifts us upward, creating a powerful bridge to inner wisdom and purpose. Across shamanic traditions and spiritual teachings, 11 is celebrated as a gateway number, one that connects the earthly with the spiritual realms. Let me share a story. In a remote forest, an elder shaman once told a young apprentice that when the number 11 appears repeatedly, it signals a moment of awakening. It calls us to step into our true potential and embrace the visionary within. This number inspires us to see beyond limitations and trust the divine guidance that surrounds us. Like a beacon of light, 11 sparks creativity and offers clarity on your path forward. Are you ready to welcome new perspectives and allow your inner wisdom to lead the way? Rainbow number 3, the joyful creator. Now, let's discover the vibrancy of number 3, a number that radiates creativity, joy, and self-expression. 3 invites us to embrace our inner artist and bring color to our dreams. In shamanic culture, creativity is sacred. It's a way to honor the spirit within and the natural world around us. The number 3 weaves together intuition and practical strength, supporting us to pursue our dreams with both playfulness and purpose. 3's joyful energy encourages genuine self-expression and connection with others. It symbolizes harmony, the union of mind, body, and spirit, a balance that brings forth meaningful creation. Imagine a shaman drumming beneath a starlit sky, calling forth visions and stories that breathe life into the tribe. That is the spirit of 3, vibrant, expansive, and full of possibility. As you focus on growth and self-expression this July, let 3 inspire you to follow your creative instincts and embrace joy. Number 4, the foundation builder. Finally, we turn to number 4, a symbol of stability, resilience, and the power of building solid foundations. In many shamanic traditions, 4 represents the 4 directions, the sacred pillars of the earth, wind, fire, and water, each guiding us to stay grounded as we build our future. The story goes that ancient shamans would gather at the crossroads of these 4 directions, seeking balance and strength before embarking on vision quests. They understood that without a strong foundation, even the wildest dreams could falter. 4 calls you to create order amidst chaos, to nurture endurance and practicality. It reminds us that true growth is supported by patience and steady effort. As you connect with the energy of 4 this month, ask yourself, how can I build a foundation that supports my dreams and honors my spirit? Number 4, the grounded builder. With the number 4, we tap into an energy of grounded strength that encourages us to approach life with practicality, patience, and focus. Known as the builder in numerology, 4 fosters structure, discipline, and the creation of lasting achievements. Its presence signals a time to commit fully to your goals, laying the groundwork needed for future success. The significance of 4 lies in its foundational nature. It embodies reliability, order, and dependability. In astrology, 4 is linked to Saturn, the planet of responsibility and long-term growth, reinforcing its emphasis on dedication and steady progress. Across many spiritual traditions, 4 is seen as a number of harmony with nature, aligning with the 4 elements, earth, water, fire, and air, and the stability they provide. This July, 4 calls you to stay grounded in your efforts, build upon your intentions with perseverance, and trust that steady, committed action will lead you to success. Are you ready to embrace the energy of 4 and lay the foundations for the prosperous future you seek? Let this number guide you in crafting a life filled with purpose, resilience, and growth. 4 invites us to take a measured approach to our ambitions, reminding us that true progress is built step by step. This number encourages us to trust the process and focus on consistency, even when immediate results aren't visible. As we align with the energy of 4, we are called to embrace patience and trust that the hard work we put in now will create a strong, enduring foundation for the future. 4's unique energy blends strength with perseverance. It's about embracing the journey, knowing that each small effort brings us closer to our goals. With 4 as your guide, you are reminded to stay grounded, hold steady, and commit to your path, even when challenges arise. As you welcome the steady energy of 4, consider how you can bring structure and discipline into your pursuits. Are you ready to build a foundation for lasting success, trusting in the strength of 4 to guide your journey forward? Wrapped gift bonus number 35, the harmonizer of change. At the peak of our journey, and as a special gift for those who stayed until the end, here is a much-awaited bonus number 35. This number carries a dynamic energy of growth, adaptability, and a powerful blend of stability and creative expression. Known in numerology as the harmonizer, 35 combines the grounded qualities of 3, expression and optimism, with the adventurous, transformative spirit of 5. Together, they create a balanced force encouraging transformation with purpose. With significant cosmic energies on the horizon, the energy of 35 resonates as a beacon for those ready to embrace change with resilience and vision. This number's influence ties deeply to shamanic teachings and the insights of mystics who recognized its potential to guide us through periods of transition while maintaining balance and clarity. Let 35 inspire you to approach changes with confidence, knowing you have both the creative spark and practical wisdom to navigate whatever comes your way. This powerful number may hold the key to unlocking your most prosperous path forward. It invites you to harmonize ambition with adaptability, creating something resilient and inspired for the future. Are you ready to tap into 35's dynamic, balanced influence? Are you prepared to step confidently into the unfolding cosmic energies? Let this number empower you to build a life that is both resilient and inspired, carrying you forward with purpose and clarity. Sparkle's closing thoughts. In conclusion, the numbers we've explored, 7, 11, 3, 4, and the bonus 35, each carry unique energies to support your transformation. Embrace these powerful influences and notice how they bring clarity, resilience, and renewed purpose during July's cosmic shifts. Thank you for joining this journey through the lucky numbers. If you found value here, please give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts below. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights to keep you aligned with the universe's flow. May these numbers guide you toward your highest path this month and beyond. Wishing you clarity, abundance, and magical synchronicities on your journey.